Okay, so let's finish up the word problem. We discovered in the last video, this is the inequality that represents your CDs, your CD minutes. All right? Can't go past 70 minutes. You've already used 25 minutes. You're trying to figure out, well, how many more songs can I get on this CD? Can I burn if there's about 4 minutes per song? So hopefully you subtracted 25 on both sides. 25's cancel. 4x less than or equal to, 70 minus 25. 70 minus 25 is 45. Divide both sides by 4. Your x is 11.25. But ladies and gentlemen, you should know that that is not your answer. You cannot burn 11.25 songs. So your answer should be either 11 songs or 12 songs. Now, the difference between those two will determine if you really understand what's going on with this problem. If you put 12 songs, that's going to take you over the 70. And if you don't believe me, substitute in a 12 right here. 48, 12 times 4 is 48. If you add 48 to 25, that gives you 73. That's more than 70. So you can't burn 12 songs. So your answer to this problem, based on this number, should be 11 songs. So here's what I need you to understand. If you stop here and box it, I'm not going to give you credit. If you say 12 songs, I'm still not going to give you credit. You've got to use your common sense to determine, okay, how many songs can I really burn if my number is a decimal? Okay? So that's your first word problem. Let's look at problem number 4. And I'm going to erase. I'm going to let you go ahead and read that to yourself. Please actually read it. Don't wait for me. Okay. So problem number 4, you're saving money to go to Greece for spring break. It costs you $1,800. Now, $1,800, we've got to figure out right there, do we want greater than or less than? Now, if we're talking money, okay? Anybody will tell you you can never have, you can always, $1,800 is great, but anything greater than that is a nicer trip. The more you have, the nicer your vacation will be. So if your trip will cost you $1,800, okay, if that's what you're estimating, any more than that will be fabulous. Maybe an upgrade, at your hotel or something like that. Less than $1,800, you're sitting at home. So your first sentence tells you your inequality. That first sentence and a little common sense. If you're saving money and the trip costs you $1,800, we either want to go past the 18 or equal the 1,800, that is. So there's your first half of your inequality. 1,800 even, you're on your way to Greece. Greater than 18, you're on your way to Greece and you've got extra money in your pocket for souvenirs, for, doing extra stuff. This next sentence says, you've saved $500 so far and you've got 14 more weeks to save for your amount. So far, you've got $500 towards that goal. You got 14 weeks left before the trip. So you're trying to figure out how much money do I need to save each week to make my goal. And that's pretty much what that last sentence is saying. Okay? So here is your inequality. I'm going to stop the video and you're going to tell me, or we're going to work out how much you have to save per week to make your $1,800 or more.